Although most of us today may lose their job due to coronavirus, which is widespread in our world, there are many companies and other investment sectors that live in a state of prosperity that they have not experienced before, such as medical supplies companies and others. Today we will focus on 10 industrial and commercial sectors that have benefited greatly from COVID-19. Masks and medical products companies. Because of the global panic from the spread of the epidemic, there is an increased demand for medical products, such as gloves, sterilizers, respirators, and medical masks. For this matter, the companies run their factories 24 hours a day to provide a large demand for them. It is better for them to succeed in this mission, otherwise it will be a real disaster. Cleaning services. Sales and cleaning companies have increased, to make the places to sterilize and cleaning, especially medical and commercial buildings. Aerial vehicles, drone. An aircraft without a human pilot on board and a type of unmanned vehicle. After the spread of coronavirus, drone has occupied very important importance in China, Spain, and South Korea. They were used to public paths for their sterilization, instead of endangering the lives of workers in the field. And in the Chinese province of Qinghang was used in February, for the transportation of medical equipment and the delivery of individual needs before the home quarantine. Online shopping and home delivery. There is no doubt that online shopping and home delivery services were in remarkable popularity even before the spread of coronavirus, but because of the quarantine imposed by the governments, the immediate demand for these companies has increased. This is why Amazon hired 100,000 new employees. Fitness equipment companies. After all gyms around the world have been closed, people's resort to exercise at home. This led to a high demand in the sports equipment market unprecedentedly. This prompted some companies to develop their products and offers, to get their share of the sales. Video call applications and programs. When companies had to close their headquarters until the virus ended, that they rushed to use video calls to complete their meetings and complete the work from home. That is why the demand for video calls has increased. Especially since working in this way allows employees to work together without convergence. Thus the probability of infection between employees has become zero. Soap, toilet paper, and hand sanitizer. Everyone is rushing to buy toilet paper, same with soap sales and hand sanitizer, that rose dramatically. It is really necessary to clean hands and prevent infection with the virus. Telemedical consultations. Because of social estrangement and isolation, it has become difficult for people to go to doctors to ensure their safety. In addition, the symptoms of coronavirus are similar to the symptoms of the flu. This caused the widespread availability of telemedicine services. We wish everyone safe.